Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. Did you know that 95% of people fail during interview due to a special reason? And that reason is at the starting of the interview, when interview asks, tell me about yourself, and the person when give to interview is struggle tightly. He is not able to answer it properly. He is not to answer in a structured manner. And sometimes what happens, he answered in a very structured manner, but still not able to convince the interviewer. Then what happens? Why the interviewer do not convince with a confident person? Yes, it is understandable that sometimes when we not able to answer that question of tell me about yourself, it is okay that the interview will not accept that thing. But when we answer it confidently, when we answer it in a very structured manner, still the interviewer do not like that answer, and he do not like to get the interview for further questions. What happened at that time? Most of the people doing the same mistakes, and at the so 95% people fail during interview. So what should we do so that we should answer it in a very structured manner confidently, and also we should able to convince the interviewer so that he will take the interview further. And also the other benefit is we have a control in the interview. We should able to control the total interview process. We should be able to control the questions, next question also. So how it can be happen? So I am repeatedly making video on these things because this is the most critical thing everybody required. So one thing I strongly believe that you should have a unique skill, unique strength that you have to show. And one thing is a uniqueness. Second thing is the company has given some about the company has given his data about in his websites, also the requirements, the characteristics, all the requirements he has given. So you have to choose one or two or three areas where you are strong and the requirement is there, because somebody need something, and if you will not provide that thing, he will not like that. So we have to analyze all the requirements, and we have to pick those three requirements with our strength. We have to match it. We have to match our strength with the requirements, and then when it will be fit, we will be crack that interview when we will confidently convince him. The first, in a structured way, we have to start with our brief introduction in a one sentence only, because we will try just describing ourselves, then we'll be lost the chance of getting cracked. We have to describe ourselves only in one sentence. I am from this, my name is this. You can say your name if is asking, not asking, but or you cannot say, it is okay not to say your name, and just saying your position. For me I am an engineer having experience in this products. I am from these locations, and previously I have worked in these positions, these companies, in a very brief one sentence, and he would like to know that in a very brief manner he is getting more informations. So in a very brief manner we are giving the informations for only one sentence. Then three strengths or three success stories of ourselves. We should have more than 10 to 20 success stories. We should write our 10 to 20 success stories of our total experience, and we should search which experience or which qualification or which quality the company is desiring. So we have to analyze all these things and matching these things, the requirements of the company and our achievements. Which requirements meant there may be 10 to 20 requirements, there may be 10 to 20 our achievements and strength areas. We have to match it. We cannot just tell lie. If you tell lie, just telling that these are the all given characteristics are in me, then it will be clearly visible. So we cannot tell lie. What we have to do, we have to do analysis. Yes, we have to do analysis. We have to pick all the requirements, search that, and we have to analyze it with all our strength and achievements, and we have to match it. We just have to only pick 3 to 5. 3 is enough in my opinion. If you fail, because I think that you when you are tell me about yourself, you can just tell 3 strengths, and that is what company is looking for. Not your strength, and company is not looking for. Company is looking for the strength, and you have that strength, and you are telling it very brief manner. I have able to achieve these things, which is this product, the product which is desired in this product experience. I have able to achieve the improvement of productivity or reduce cycle time in specific products, those products which is mentioned in the company requirement. Same thing, it may be given good experience in lean, then I have able to reduce non-value-added activities by using lean techniques. He may be given Six Sigma, then I have able to analyze the process, map the process, and reduce non-value-added activities by doing Six Sigma implementations. When we are doing to the point, and also according to a requirement, then you will be gain the confidence. But it should be right. You have to search for that. You have to analyze for that. You should give some time and effort, and it will be shown. When you will give effort, it will be visible to the recruiter. And yes, after that, after these 3 success stories, at the end, you say first 1 sentence, 3 sentence, and last sentence is I am excited and interested to work in an organization, and I hope my candidature will acceptable to your esteemed organization. What do you think, sir? What is your opinion, sir? When you ask what is your opinion, then what you are doing is you are controlling the conversation. If you will not ask, you will just close it, then it will be close-ended. But when you will asking, then it is going open-ended. You are opening the loop, and he has to enter into the loop. How? He has to answer that yes, I am happy with this experience, but tell me something about these things. Yeah, then you know that the requirements are this. You should be prepared for those things, or next 3 to 4 achievements which is matching. But you have not told in the first tell me about yourself, then you have to narrate these stories to that. You add these stories again. I have able to achieve a difficult target which has been given to complete the project on time. I have stressed, I have worked more than 12 hours. I have able to convince people, I have to inspire people. All people, we give a team efforts, we worked as a team, day and nights. We worked hard and also worked smart. We improve bottlenecks. We do parallel activities to improve the output and achieve the targets on time, because we have to give the product on time for the customer demand. So this type of answers will help you to convince the interviewer. Because what we are doing in interview, we are selling our service. We should understand that we are at a marketplace, and we are selling our service. Like somebody is selling a potato as a product, we are selling our service. So we have to make our service more refined. Our service should be look more shiny. If it not look that shiny, people will not attracted. So we have to make our service shine among all the other employees or other interview. So we have to shine our product. Our product is our service. So We have to work on that, practice that, and practice in a very structured manner. This is not just practice. Practice in a very structured manner. It will help. I have learned from various mentors that practicing will help, and practicing with structured manner with the right approach will help tremendously. It have a very strong effect. So learn all the things, implement all the things, and practice it daily. Daily practice will improve your communication skills, and a small improvement will boost your competence.